Hello guys, my name is Marika, and in this video I will show you how to create custom post pages or custom post types using the contact form 7. For this tutorial we will use the form that we created in the latest videos and some hooks that the contact form 7 provides. Then we will use the WordPress syntax and some PHP code to insert the new posts. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, in order to create a custom post or a page using the contact form 7, we'll have to create a hook, and right before the email will be sent, we'll have to create a post. So when somebody completes the form and hit the submit button, right before the email will be sent to the admin of the website, we will create the post using the hooks that contact form 7 provides. So to do that, we'll have to open the Visual Studio Code, open the functions PHP file. Let's scroll to the bottom of the file, and here we will create the hook. So the hook the contact form 7 provides, it's called email, and the second parameter will be our name, our function name. Okay, now we'll copy this name and create a function. We'll have to get the submission, and this is the VPC 7 get instance. Okay guys, now in this function we will be able to see everything happens in the contact form 7 after somebody submit the form. So to do that, we can write the following code. And see what comes on post. To do that, we'll go back to the website. We'll have to open the console and the network tab, and here the request will appear as soon as we will complete the form. Send. As you can see, we have all the fields here: first name, last name, email, and the phone, and also the color. So we have everything we need to create a new post or page. So we'll go back to the functions, and we'll create the fields: first name, we'll have to sanitize the fields to be secured. And let's just copy this. Last name. Okay, now we'll have to create the array for the new post, and this is looking like this. Post title, this will be my post from contact form 7. Post status, and it will be publish. Post type, and this will be first post, and the post author if you want. Okay, also we can add here post content, and this will be formatted from first name, or the form was submitted by concatenated with first name, first name concatenated dash last name. Okay, we have the array. So the single thing we need to do is to create a new post. So we'll use the Wordpress function pp insert post, and as the parameter we'll pass our array. Okay, so let's see. Oh, this is the error here. It looks great now. Okay, let's complete the form and see what happens. Refresh the page. File, okay, green, send. Oh, we forgot the var here. But anyway, the form was successfully sent. So let's see if we have the post created here. Oh, it's here. Nice. The form was submitted by winners. Okay. Now, if we want to create a new page, the single thing we need to do is to change the post type parameter, and instead of post, we'll have to add here page. And let's see if it is working. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Let's go back here. Let's complete again the form. I'm sorry. Okay. And send. Oh, the redirect for thank you page is still working. Okay, let's go to the dashboard and see if the page is here. Okay guys, now in order to create a custom post type, we will have to go to the plugins and install the custom post type plugin. This one, as you can see, it has more than one. Okay, now go on edit post type, and here we will add our new post type, which will be named tutorials. So as you can see here, it already appeared. So in order to create a new custom post type using the contact form 7, we'll have to go back to the CPT UI, edit post type, and just copy the slug for the post type. And this slug will be added in the post type, my custom post type form contact 7. So now the script will know what type of post it should create. So let's go back to the tutorial page and complete again the form. Choose file, green, and send. Okay guys, let's see. And this is created right here. Great. Okay guys, let me know what do you think in the comment section. Like and subscribe if you like the video, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.